But this time all the pieces fit. And something tells me this is it. When I'm with you, think I'm in love again. Winning that silly green. Look what a fool I've been. I think I'm in love again. Lately I lost my mind, and I do it every time. Yes, I know all the signs of being in love. Thank you so much, Kuya Rom. Bury me, Tikoy, Matet. Sir Boy mo nalakbay. Tikoy, thank you so much, Tikoy. And sa mga naka-BG dyan, thank you so much. Think I'm in love again, being that silly green. Look what a fool I've been. I think I'm in love again. Lately I lost my mind, and I do it every time. Look what all the signs of being in love. Alright. Thank you so much, Kuya Rom and Tikoy.
Oh, yes.
Ayan.
Sir Yudes, pwede ba mag-request? Kasi napaka-supportive talaga ni Kuya Rom. Can I request a song dedicated to Kuya Rom? Unang araw ng Mayo. Ano ba sa English yan?
1st of May.
Yes. Can you please do the honor to sing?
Paborito ba ni Kuya Rom yan?
Yeah. With Paminsan-Minsan, I know now what's his favorite song. Yan to gimbal, apakabar tiri makasi sayang-sayang, sama-sama. Okay? Tiri makasi. Yan to gimbal, my friend. Assalamualaikum. Labor Day, 1st of May, unang araw ng Mayo. Lay, thank you so much nag-text. Beautiful song mga Malaysia. Listen po, Matugang Matet and the rest. Sir Boy Manilakbay, maraming salamat po sa inyo guys. Thank you so much for staying there and for those who stay there for watching us. Thank you so much guys. Alright.
Yan to, shout out yan to Gimbal. And of course, Kuya Rom, songs for you, Kuya Rom. Paborito mo pala to.
Yeah.
Tikoy, thank you. When I was small and Christmas trees were tall, we used to laugh while others used to play. Don't ask me why, the time has passed us by. Someone else moving from far away. Kuya Rom. Now we are tall and Christmas trees are small, and you don't ask the time of day. Arlene, you and I, our love will never die. Guess who cried? Come 1st of May. The apple tree that grew for you and me. I watched the apples falling one by one, and I recall the moment of them all, the day I kissed your cheek and you were gone. Now we are tall and Christmas trees are small, and you don't ask the time of day. But you and I, our love will never die. Guess who cried? Come 1st of May. When I